One thing I've always craved whenever I go out is chocolates. Chocolate cakes, chocolates, choco chips, and everything down that dark goodness. Hello, darlings. I'm Alex. Welcome back to the Amateur Kitchen. So today I'll be attempting a very simple chocolate cake recipe with just 1 egg to get a 6-inch cake. Very economical, I must say. Alright, let's get to it. So I whisked my egg for about a minute before adding in sugar and whisking it again. You can do this with your hand whisk if you do not have a mixer. It is not too hard, and so a mixer isn't really necessary. You can even use a spatula or wooden stick to do this. I already had my dry ingredients set before starting this video, because I almost forgot about creating content. So in this blue copy container, I have flour, unsweetened cocoa powder, baking powder, soda, salt. I mixed together everything with my spatula. Then I poured in my dry ingredients into the wet ingredients and mixed everything. Then I went in with my oil and mixed. Yeah, it is looking like amala dudu. Alright, I added my buttermilk. This time around I made sure I used vinegar and milk because yes, I finally bought vinegar. Now my mixture is looking quite chocolatey and I think I might have overmixed it, but the milk refused to disappear into the batter. Next, I added vanilla flavor and mixed again. You can use any flavor of your choice because I had pineapple and vanilla and just decided to go with plain old vanilla. I think I was supposed to use coffee mixture here, but I didn't have instant coffee or any kind at all. So I just used a cup of hot water and mixed and mixed and mixed. Then I got out my well-greased 6-inch pan and poured my chocolatey dripping batter into it. Then I did the routine tap tap tap. And voila! Yes, our chocolate cake after baking in the oven. So I forgot to take a picture of how it looked inside, but guys, it came out well, perfectly sweet, moist and fluffy. I think this was a perfect make. Did you notice any mistake or something I could do better or differently to improve my outcome? Please let me know in the comments. If you have a recipe you want me to try, let me know as well. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share, dearies. Zia danke. Bye bye.